Hello everyone, I have a quick solution here. I didn't want to spend the extra bucks sending somebody out here to kind of do something that I thought I could do. So I'm just gonna do kind of MacGyver type of thing, but I think it'll work. I'm gonna do kind of like a barn style fence. I went to get those at Home Depot. They're 16-inch bars, vinyl, of course, fence. And I have these brackets. They're kind of barn style. I've already measured these top to bottom here. I'm gonna put a piece of wood that goes all the way down here. I'm gonna drill here the holes for this bracket, which is gonna be like this, right here, and it's gonna hold the fence, and that will solve, you know, when I leave home on a vacation, I don't like people having the liberty of walking into my property. So I'm gonna put this vinyl, basically, piece. I'm gonna put two of them. Just like here, 1, 2. The third one I won't put, so I'm just gonna put 2 of them. But that should be good enough, at least to, I know it won't stop robbers, but it'll deter, at least from outside, anyone from coming in, soliciting my home and getting the chance to look inside my property. It's a quick fix, but yeah, I'll follow up right now. Okay guys, here's a quick follow-up demonstration. This is how it looks once I put those kind of barn style little brackets here. As you guys can see, I screwed it on, and then we use this clamp to hold it on top like this. Trying to get it to focus. There you go. Obviously right now it's already screwed in. Probably see the screws on there. This one helped more, this one, than these, but this ones are from a 99-cent store, so if you guys have a better one of these, they might do a better job. This one worked for me right here. And we already tested the spare, which you guys see there. It was able to fit here perfectly, right here. It fit perfectly, and you're just able to slide up. Eventually I'll do a hole, this hole right here. Here's that right here. And I'll put a pin. Through here, so I could hold basically the panel, the vinyl panel in place, and the wind won't blow it away. I live in Apple Valley and it's really windy here, so that's what we need to prevent the vinyl panel from flying away. Anyway, I'll follow up once I finish. Okay, you got it? Nice. Put it right in the middle and push forward, okay? Once this is my son. Wanted to help out. So here we are. Put it right through. Take it out. There you guys see, we're drilling the holes. There's my son. Alright guys, pretty proud of this project. Here's how it looks. Up close and personal. Like I said, these little brackets, we got them at Home Depot. There is probably the model number or item number, that's SKU number, I guess. If you guys want to buy some, I'll put it in the description for you guys so I can make it much more simpler. Here's how it looks inside. I'm going to put the caps after. This is how it looks from far away. Again, it's just 2, but it's just for preventative measures whenever I step out of the house. It looks great, I think. I don't think it's really necessary to put the other one, as it is an entrance. I think it's a perspective that it gives, so you guys can see It doesn't look tacky or nothing, I believe, just because it's an entrance. It's only 2, but that's fine. That will do. The sun, helper. And we're gonna make 2 more right here, 2 more brackets, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So whenever we leave the house, we'll just be able to slide these over that way. Whenever we're home, we'll actually put them here, and then when we leave the house, we'll slide them over here back to those little brackets. There we go. This is the other one. Again, this is mostly drill. This is mostly just to save you guys some money. I know installing a fence can be expensive, but I think this definitely can save you a lot of money. Here is how it looks again, one last time. Back up a little, Brennan. There you go. That's how it looks all the way through. These are 16 feet. 16 feet. No more, no less. 16 feet exactly. So you gotta, of course, measure your distance from that pole to this pole. As you guys can see, I have probably a foot left over, but you don't want to have too short of an entrance, because then this won't work. You got to make sure that it measures exactly 16 feet. So right here, this could have been a little bit wider, but I guess, you know, this is good enough. Even if it sticks out a little bit, I don't mind it. It's actually better for more stability. But yeah, these are 16 feet. And they do match these right here, which are probably, let's see, where's the measuring tape? I don't think I brought the measuring tape. But yeah, I mean, this is, I think, a 4x6. Look at that clamp. This one was 4 inches, so 4. This is about 4 inches right there. So maybe this is about 6 inches right here, all the way up to here. You guys can see the same thing. About 6 inches. Okay, guys, this is how it should look at the end. The finished product. As you can see, these things are flexible, but sturdy as hell because they have wood behind them. So this is how it should look. And this was my idea the whole time. As you guys can see, now this ones are, that's me pulling up with 4s. They're not going nowhere, as you guys can see. It's pretty snug in there. I can push that more if I wanted to. There you go. These things are not going anywhere. This is how it looks. It doesn't look tacky at all. It blends in right with the other ones. But it's double, so you guys can see. There you have it. Now when I leave home, I could just close the whole thing up. So I did 3 of them. Where's the 3rd one? One in the middle. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'm planning to do the same because my son, he's fatigued. It's just that, so the measurements for this fence right here, well, this open space is 19 feet, so it's too short. I'm probably gonna go with wood here and just paint it white. And I'm gonna put the brackets here. Same thing, going that way. There you go.